Baby, y'all gonna make heads turn. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're not new, hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? For today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all my go-to summer scents. Baby, I'm pretty impressed, proud of my little collection that I have. I'm not really a fragrance girl, but as of recently, I've been getting on my feminine side and wearing like body sprays and perfumes. So like back in the past, I used to be a body spray girl. Like I still am. Like after I get out of the shower at nighttime, you know, I squirt me a little bit and, you know, I smell good when I go to bed or whatever. But like during the day, like I wear actual perfumes and stuff, like when I go out places, like during the day, like when I go out and stuff. These are my scents that I wear. I rotate them. I do have like my go-to signature ones, but for the most part, like I rotate throughout all of these. Ouch, my lip got caught on my braces. But for the most part, I do wear these, and I do rotate them. So let's go ahead and get into these summer scents so I can put y'all on so y'all can have y'all smelling good or whatever. Have all the guys, you know, getting attracted to you and, you know. Oh yeah, also my scent, like what I gravitate toward is fruity, sweet scents. That's just personally what I like. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into these scents that I want to show y'all about or whatever. Okay, so first and foremost, the ones that I want to talk to you guys about are my go-to ones, the ones that I literally grab all the time, and I even do wear these to work, but they're not too strong to the where it, you know, it affects people, but it's still, when you walk past, they turn their head because that's how good it smells. That's how good it smells. So the first one is the Juicy Couture. This one here, this, y'all can see it, baby, it's gone. I've already been through like 2 bottles. I don't know why I just don't buy the big one. Well, I got this one for Christmas, so yeah. But this one, this is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy. Y'all know what this smells like. I know this has been around for forever. This is an oldie but a goodie, and it makes heads turn. You smell luxurious. You smell like that girl. I mean, you can't go wrong with Viva La Juicy. Like, I'm sorry, I don't care. I will never get over this scent. This is gonna be forever my scent for sure. It just smells. Listen, just go smell all of these and decide for yourself, but baby, this one, I'm telling you, I will never get over it. I don't care how old I am. I don't care what era we're in. I don't care what else comes out. I'm always going to go toward this. It just smells so good. It's literally me. If you want to know what I smell like, it's this. And for my next signature scent, it is the Paris Hilton, but it's the one in this bottle. So this is another one of my signature scents. I have the little travel size, but yeah, this one, I'm telling you, this smells so good. It has a little bit of a musk to it. It just has the perfect amount of everything. Perfect amount of musk, sweetness. It's not floral. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. This will have your heads turn as well. I get a lot of compliments on this when I wear it to work. A lot of compliments. One of the girls I work with, she's like, you remind me of my high school days. So this is also an oldie but a goodie. So she always tells me when I wear it, you remind me of high school. I love when you wear that. You smell so good. Like literally all the time I wear that, it never fails. She always tells me that I smell good. My patients always tell me that I smell good. So now for the actual expensive perfumes, the ones that will have you I'm very successful. Corporate America. I'm expensive. I'm that girl. These ones right here, these are gonna have you feeling girl and sexy. That's what it is. They're gonna be having you feeling grown and sexy. Yes, ma'am. So let's go ahead and let me show y'all when I want to feel grown and sexy and smell expensive. So my first one is Sunflower. It's Summer Balm. It looks just like this. This one smells amazing. This one is not expensive. It smells like a sunflower. It smells like a sunflower. It has I'm horrible with describing. It has a musk to it. This one smells very mature. I will say that this one smells very mature. I've only worn this one a couple of times, as you can see. I don't really, you don't need a lot of this, but it does have a musk to it. Musk to it. This one smells very mature. It's not very florally. It's not fruity. Well, I would say it is more, it's not florally, but it's floral because it smells like sunflowers. Like you can tell there's a hint of floral in it, as well as a musk. The next one I have is one that everybody knows about. I have it in this little baby bottle just because it's vanilla. Like I like it on certain days, and it's the Carey Vanilla 28. So like you can see, I use it. It literally smells like warm vanilla. That's the notes. It's warm vanilla, pure vanilla. This is what it smells like. It is a very mature scent, very potent scent. You have to be in the mood for this. This I do get a lot of compliments on. It's a signature scent. A lot of women know what this smells like because it is a very popular scent. The next scent is one my sister put me on. Well, she gave to me because she didn't like it, and it is the Mariah Carey Dreams. This bottle is so cute, might I say. Like with the butterflies, that's Mariah Carey's thing, is the butterflies. She gave me this. This bottle is so cute. This one is a soft scent. This could be an everyday scent for the summertime. It's not too strong. It's not too this smells so good. It's a really soft scent. It can be a signature scent for you if that's what you want it to be, because it's that soft. You can wear it every day. You can wear it during the day. You can wear it during the night. There's something in it that I can't describe what it is. It's not floral. There's no floral in this at all. It's not, I don't think it's vanilla. It's sweet. It's something sweet in here. This is it, baby. Okay. This is going to have to be in my rotation with my Juicy Couture and my Paris Hilton, the Mariah Carey Dreams. Y'all, go smell it. I promise you, go smell it. The next one is YSL, baby. When I say expensive, listen. This YSL will have you, it reminds me of just an expensive it girl, like drip me in Chanel diamonds and pearls. Like it's very mature, it's very potent, there's a musk to it. Oh yeah, if you want like a corporate guy, older, let me set the scene. So like a corporate guy wears suits to work. He's the boss, like he's a CEO. You go out to dinner, you walk past him when he's with his coworkers and you're wearing this, he's gonna be like, he's gonna approach you. He's gonna want to buy you a drink. You're gonna get an anonymous drink to your table because of this scent. This is what this reminds me of. My next one is Ariana Grande, Sweet Like Candy. Baby, when I tell, this bottle is so freaking cute, first off, but when I tell you, eat me up, baby, this, oh God. When I say I love fruity scents, right here, yes. This one is not expensive at all. It's like $45 for this size, I think. The notes in this one are berries, vanilla, and candies. I think or something like that. Let me see. The top notes: sugar, frosted blackberries and fresh Italian bergamot. So yeah, sweet. If you are into sweet, baby. Oh, it smells so good. I'm putting some on right now, even though, because you have to let it warm up with your body. Like in the bottle and on your body, it smells like two different things. So you have to let it warm up to your body chemistry, and then you'll start to be smelling edible. And the last scent that I have, y'all are gonna be like, "You're a basic bitch now," but it just smells so good. Like, come on, this is giving me expensive as well as Rihanna put everybody onto it, and it's Valentino, born in Roma. Avi, like, come on now. Can't say bad gal and not have this, okay? Baby, talk about winning corporate. Talk about winning the CEO. It smells, you can be very expensive with this one. It's very mature. It's very potent. There's vanilla in it. It's just that girl. Obviously, everybody knows Valentino, born in Roma. Like, if you don't know what this smells like, you ain't with it. Like, go smell all these perfumes, but I know y'all know what born in Roma is. Like, we're gonna put everybody on. This is trending right now, so obviously I had to have it because yes ma'am. All right, beautiful people, that completes the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed my summer fragrance scents of what I will be smelling like for the summertime. If you are interested in any of them, I will link all of them down below to the best of my abilities. Comment down below which one you are willing to try for the summer. If any of these are already your favorite, let me know which one you like. I would definitely love to know. Let me know if I have a good nose or whatever. I would love to know that. Or if y'all like, ill, LaDonna, no. Those are a no-go. Also, comment some that I have not mentioned that you think are perfect for the summer. I would definitely love to try them. Like I said, I am building my fragrance collection, so I am interested and up to trying new fragrances. Like I said, I am into fruity, sweet perfumes. So comment your favorite if I didn't list any down below. And without further ado, beautiful people, that completes the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next one, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.